Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing amazing. If you are new to my channel, then my name is Urvashi and I'll be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So in today's video, I'll be taking up the challenge called Would You Rather, where I'll be given two choices and I have to choose any one from those given two choices. So without any delay, let's get into the video. So let's get started with the challenge. So I have googled the top best questions of this challenge, and if this goes well, then I'll be doing a part 2 also of this challenge. So first take up this one. Okay, so here we go. Would you rather never use social media sites again or never watch any movie or TV series again? Okay, I live for watching these movies and TV series. I'm a binge watcher, so I really watch everything almost. So I'll be going with never use social media sites again. Okay. Next, would you rather have a horrible short-term memory or a horrible long-term memory? I already have a horrible short-term memory. I mean, I forget what has been told to me 5 minutes back. So I already have that. So yeah. Next, would you rather be transported into 100 years into the past or transported into 100 years into the future? Okay, both are interesting. But I think I'll be going with transported into 100 years into the future. Yeah, I think that's better. Okay. Next is, would you rather know how you will die or know when you will die? Ooh, that's tough. That's a toughie. When I'll die or how I'll die? Okay. What should I go with? What did you guys have gone with? I don't know. I think I'll go with I think I'll go with when I'll die. Because if I get to know at what age I'll die, before that age, at least I can fulfill all the things that are present in my to-do list. But even if I get to know that how I'll die, it's not certain at what age I'll die. So I'll go with, I'll choose when I'll die. Yeah, that's better. Next, would you rather get away with lying every time or always know when a person is lying? Well, to be very honest, I have a very strong instinct game. So if you are close to me, if I know you very well, then I'll catch you if you are lying in front of me. And even if I can't do that at that very moment, I can figure that out eventually. So I have a very strong instinct game. And at the same time, I'm not very much good with lying. I mean, I become cold, I become weird, I act differently if I'm lying. I'm not very much comfortable with lying. So I think I'll have that superpower that I can get away anytime with lying. Because I have seen a lot of people having that superpower, and I have always thought, how they have it. So yeah, I'll choose that one because I'm not good. Okay, next is, would you rather find true love or be rich? Okay. I'll go with, I'll be rich. Because, yeah, I'll be rich. And also people who know me know that why I didn't go with that option of finding true love. I'll become rich. Yeah. Next. Would you rather be able to make anyone fall in love with you or be able to read minds? See, there is no point in forcing anyone to fall in love with you. That's not the purest form of love. I believe that love is something that happens very organically and very naturally. So you cannot just force someone to make, fall in love with you. That's not fair also. So I'll go with be able to read minds. Also, that's a very cool one. So yeah. Next one is, would you rather lose your money or lose your phone contacts? Like, how is this even a comparison? I'll obviously lose my phone contacts. Why will I lose my money? I can get my contacts back anytime I want. And also, if I don't get all of the contacts back, it's a relief because I don't even talk to every one of them. I think they are just there to see my status. That's it. Yeah. So what will I do with so many contacts? I'll obviously not lose my money. I'll lose my contacts. Yeah. Next. Would you rather win a trip for a world tour or win a free laptop? Ooh. Now, to be very honest, I need a free I need a laptop. I don't. Okay. So, yeah. So to be very honest, I need a laptop, but I think I'll buy my own laptop. So yeah, I'll win a trip for world tour. Yeah, that's cool. That's better. Next. Would you rather always be 10 minutes late or 20 minutes early? I am always 20 minutes late. Yeah, I'm always 20 minutes late, even sometimes more than that. You know, all my friends are so mad at me for that reason. So now we don't go out, that's different, but I am always a latecomer. And if I have to choose, then I'll choose instead of 20 minutes late, I'll choose 10 minutes late, but not 20 minutes early. That's too boring. It's too boring to wait for someone. No, I won't do that. Next, would you rather be able to talk to land animals or the ones who live underwater? Like the animals who live underwater. Okay. Ooh, land animals or the animals that fly. They're also written. So, okay. Now I can talk to birds. I can talk to elephants. They're the land animals, right? And animals under the water, like fishes and all that. I think I'll choose. I'd rather be able to talk to the ones who live underwater. Because you know, when I was a child, I always had this dream that I'll be friends with blue whale. That's a very weird dream, I know, but I always have this thing that I'll be friends with blue whale. Here I am given this option that I can be friends and be able to talk to any animal who live under the water. So how cool is that? That blue whale is your friend, shark is your friend, and all the fishes are your friends. I think I'll go with that one. Yeah, not with the one that the animals live in the land. But I like elephants. No, but I'll go with live underwater. Okay, next question is, would you rather have unlimited international first class tickets or never have to pay for food at restaurants? Ooh. Basically, I have to choose between travel or food. Now, see, I am always very much fond of traveling. You know, I am very much fond of traveling. So I think I'll go with the first option, that I have unlimited international first class tickets. Also, even if I get this option of not having to pay for my food at restaurants, I will be still eating at restaurants. I mean, I eat at restaurants a lot. I spend most of my money on food. Okay, I go to a lot of restaurants every month. Not this lockdown, of course. So even if I am not given this choice, I'll be continuing spending my money on that. So but it's hard to spend my money you know, in having that international first class ticket. So I think I'll go with that one. Okay, next question is, would you rather go back to age 5 with everything you know now, or know now everything your future self will learn? Ooh. Whatever I know now, I'll be going back with that knowledge to my 5 years, or know everything that my future self will ever know. I think I'll go with second option. Yeah, because honestly I don't even regret much. I think that if you regret too much for your past, then you are contradicting yourself, because the moment in which you have lived that, those moments were special to you then. So if you regret it now, then it's kind of proving yourself a hypocrite. So I don't think that I want to go back and change much in my past. And also, if I'm really talking about knowledge, then I don't even need that, because now I'm an engineering student. I know the stuff about engineering. Now what will I know, what will I do, you know, knowing the stuffs of engineering at my age 5? And even if I was in class 10 and 11 and 12, I mean, I used to be a rank holder then, so I don't even need the knowledge that I have now, because this knowledge is not even required at that point of time. So it's kind of baseless, and also I don't want to change anything that I've done in my past. So there's nothing to regret about, but I that's why I'll go with the second option. I think presently I'll love to know the things that I'll be knowing in the future, like any relevant thing or anything, like any special language, like I'll be most probably Spanish, French, I don't know, something like that. That will be cool, I guess. Next, would you rather move to a new city or town every week, or never be able to leave the city or town you were born in? I told you, like, I am like fond of traveling. I really love traveling. So I think that's hurtful if I never get to leave the city or town where I was born in. So I think I'll go with the first option, that I'll be moving to new city and town every new week. So that will be, you know, much adventurous, thrilling, and I'll get to live my life. Okay, next, would you rather live in virtual reality where you are all powerful, or live in the real world and be able to go anywhere but not be able to interact with anyone or anything? Ooh. Now, what's the point of living in the real world if I don't get to interact with anyone or anything? I mean, that's pointless, right? And if what virtual reality? Okay, if I live in the virtual reality and become powerful, then maybe with my visions and thoughts, I'll be able to, you know, move my mind from this place to that place and wherever I want to. So yeah, I'll go with the first option. Next is, and this is the last question for today, I guess. Would you rather wake up as a new random person every year and have full control of them for the whole year, or once a week spend a day inside a stranger without having any control of them? Ooh. Now, no matter what I choose, it will be a crazy life. I think I'll go with the first option, because I don't really like this choice of, you know, spending a day inside a stranger without having any control of them. Nah, I'll go with the first option, that wake up as a new random person every year and have full control of them. I think that's better. Okay. So yeah, that's it for the video. I think I answered almost 20 questions. The questions were really big, at least, and those are really tough to make a choice. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and I'm thinking of making a part 2 of this video already, because you know, it's so much fun to choose between two. So yeah, if you like this video, then do give a big thumbs up and comment down your thoughts, share it with others, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, by watching this video, you can, you know, think in your mind that what option you will go for. So that is really crazy. Few choices were really crazy. I loved it. So yeah, I'll be seeing you guys very soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye.